Hi, welcome back. So now that we've created our Canva account and gone through the whole setup process, I'm going to go through with you this dashboard here. So in the previous video, at the very end, we reached this dashboard page, but you probably really didn't understand it. So I'm going to go through each part with you so you can understand what you're looking at. So firstly, at the top here, you have create a design. So remember when we chose our feature or our profession? Well, what that does is set up some default templates that you can use to create some designs and everything from these templates. Now, unfortunately, one thing you need to note is that you won't actually come with these colors or this text. It will just create a blank canvas for you. So that's pretty unfortunate. You're going to have to put all of this stuff yourself. But if you want a custom sort of design with custom dimensions, you can click here, use custom dimensions. We'll go through creating designs later. So here you have the actual create a design button. So these are basically identical. You can create a design, you can use this, or you can choose a template. It's up to you. But here you actually have all of your profile settings. So if you click this little arrow here, you can go to your account settings and your profile, and you can change all the settings about that. We're not going to go through that because it's not very important. We're going to go through the very essential stuff. So that's your all your designs page. That's the page we're on, by the way. And just to show you, this here, well, we don't really see anything, but when you start creating your designs, they're going to appear here in a sort of grid fashion. And so, if you ever want to edit your design, you can just go here, click on it, and you can edit it whenever you want. So this is where you're going to see all of your created designs and if you want to create a new design. So here shared with you, one really cool feature about Canva is the fact that you can actually build a team, which I'll cover in the next section. You can build a team and actually share and work on designs together. So you can see here it says invite team members. It's going to be here. I'll talk about that just in a minute. So here's where all of your designs that you work on with other people are going to be. And it's really cool. You can work on designs together. You can make changes all on one design. So that's very cool, especially for business Canva accounts. So here is the create a team sort of page. So you can, on the free plan, by the way, Canva has multiple plans and subscriptions. On the free plan, there's a lot of features you can use, but if you want to upgrade Canva and pay maybe a subscription, you can get so many new features, but I'm just going to be covering the free version in this video. So it says invite team members for free. So first of all, your team members need to have a Canva account. Now, whether it's a Facebook, it's a Google, it's an email, you just put their email address here and you can send the invitations and it will invite them to the team. Then if they want, they can join and you can start sharing designs together. So here you actually have a list and you can view who is the team members and who's on the team. So on your brand, this is actually a very, very cool feature. Unfortunately, we don't get access to most of them with the free version, but what this does is it sets up a preset sort of array of colors, fonts, and logos that every single time you create a new design, you can actually use. So for example, if you have a business and you have specific brand colors, instead of having to go and find the color to color something each time, if you have brand colors, you can just select them and it will already be there preset and it'll be first. So it really saves a lot of time. If you ever want to add a new color, you can just click here and choose the color you want. Now, we're not going to go through that today because we're not really going to be covering brand colors. But if you ever wanted to add some brand colors, here you go. That's how you do it. So the find templates feature is actually very cool. So remember in the last video, I said that you can, whatever you select, your profession, it will set up a preset set of templates that you can use. But if you ever want to use some different templates, even for personal use, they're all here. So you can either search for it. So I'm just going to search like birthday card. So birthday card, you just click on that. And then there you go, you have some birthday cards. Or if you want to select from another range, or if you just want to search from the templates, you can always use this list here, which allows you to look through and see what you like best. So here's really cool. What you can do is actually create new folders and then put designs in them. And if you ever want to delete it, you can just go to the trash and drag something into it. So that's really it. It's quite simple and it's a very easy dashboard to use. Again, that's the point. It's made to be easy to use. So there you go. In the next video, we're actually going to be creating our design and starting to actually use Canva. So there you go. That's really it.